I will give you. Otherwise, if you want referral, you can send me your resume in the comment. What is my final advice? In this video, I'll explain the complete application process, interview rounds, preparation tips, and my real experience, so you don't make the mistake I almost made. I currently work at Accenture as a Salesforce developer, and I'll share my experience plus the general hiring process the most candidates go through. Firstly, where to apply? First question, where to apply? You can apply through official Accenture career website, campus placements if your college has it, employer referral, LinkedIn job postings. I highly recommend applying through the official career page or referral basis because that increase visibility. Official careers, I'll tell you in the comment if you want the site. Otherwise, if you want referral, you can send me your resume in the comment. I'll refer you. Okay. So, what are all the eligibility roles for the Accenture? Accenture hires the multiple roles like associate software engineer, application development analyst, business analyst, cloud, Salesforce, data roles, consulting roles. Eligibility usually depends on role. For tech roles, a background engineering, BSc, BCA, MCA is common. Always read job description carefully because without reading, if you're applying for the jobs, there are higher chances that your resume may not shortlist. If you read the description and make sure that skills must have in your resume, so that particular resume will get shortlisted. And third point is, what are the hiring process? Okay, so let's talk about the hiring routes. Usually it includes online assessment first, which includes aptitude, logical reasoning, basic technical questions, sometimes coding round. The tip which I will give you is practice aptitude before applying. Don't ignore it, because as much as you'll practice for the aptitude, you'll gain confidence and you'll do it faster than other people, so that you won't waste your time for the aptitude. Second is technical interview. Before going to the technical interview, I'll let you know there is a coding round also. In that, mostly it covers 2 coding questions. One is easy and second one is medium to hard. First one is easy, you can easily solve it. But for the second one, you have to do some coding practices also. Okay. Second one is technical interview. They will ask about your projects, technologies real-time scenarios, problem solving. Important line: don't lie on your resume. They go deep whatever you write in the resume. It's like about add your experience. In my interview, I was asked about Salesforce basics and the real project scenarios which I have made. Okay. And third one is HR interview. Communications, confidence, why Accenture, why should we hire you? These are the common questions which may ask in Accenture, and you should have focus on these things. Tip: prepare your introduction properly. It shows how confident you are. If you feel you're not confident enough, it will show in your face. It will show to that interviewer, and this may lead to the rejection. But if you're confident, you'll show confidence to the interview. That will lead to something very good. Okay. And how to prepare? Here's what I recommend. Strong basics in your technology. Practice explaining your project clearly. Prepare common HR questions. Research about Accenture services and values. Practice mock interviews. As I already said, I'll say again, confidence matters more than perfection. Okay. Benefits of working at Accenture. What I feel benefits are there for Accenture, I'll tell you. First thing is global exposure, learning opportunities. Basically, when I joined Accenture, for the first 6 months, they trained us for the particular technology. I chose Salesforce and they trained us in that particular technology for at least 6 months, which was very high time to learn, as well as you're earning also and you're learning in the same company. This is so good for freshers and those who don't know the technologies they want to learn. This is so good. Okay, I'm telling you. Third thing is internal training platforms, as I told you already. Fourth thing is corporate work culture. Work culture is so good in the Accenture. You just have to make sure that you'll get shortlisted in this. Okay. Health insurance, work-life balance depends on the project. Yeah, for my project, it's very good. Work-life balance is very good in my project. Okay. And recently our cricket tournament. It was in. I am in Pune right now. I work in Accenture Pune location, and they organized a cricket tournament for 2026 for Pune people, and I was one of the female contestant in that, and it was really nice. They provided food, evening snacks, morning breakfast, night if you will be there, dinner and everything. So there are many events which they organize in the campus also. In the Pune campus, they organize many cooking competitions. Okay, so many things they organize. You have to just make sure that you will get selected in the Accenture. Experience may vary depending on the team and the project. That line keep it balanced and professional. Okay. My experience so far has helped me grow technically and professionally. Corporate life is not perfect, but it teaches discipline. Every company has pros and challenges. Growth depends on how you use opportunities, right? Keep it neutral and mature. What is my final advice? If you're applying to Accenture, don't apply randomly. Customize your resume, apply to relevant roles, follow up, stay patient. Okay? Rejections are normal. Keep improving. Okay? If this video helped you, comment down your doubts. If you want more videos about corporate jobs, Salesforce career, tech growth, subscribe and follow, and let me know about which company you want to know next. Okay, bye bye.